Terra Monster here, and I like to make things. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cute halter top. Isn't that fun? I made it out of an old t-shirt and it was a lot easier than you think. So if you're excited to try this DIY hack, let's get crafty. The first step to making a halter top is to cut off the sleeves. To make sure I cut them off the same, I fold the shirt in half to do it. Make sure to match up your seams. And the next step is to cut a nice V-neck. I like to fold it in half to do that so that it matches up. I like to use a ruler to make sure that I get a nice cut that's even. Just makes a nice guide. And there we have our V-neck cut. And to make the halter part, we're just going to cut the back. Looks like I missed a seam a little when I cut the sleeve. No big deal. It's easy to fix. And now it's really important when you're cutting the back that you only cut through the top layer of fabric. We're not going to cut through to the bottom. I like to make a mark with my chalk. And you're always going to cut right on the outside of where the seam of the neck is. And just to make sure these are somewhat even, you can use a ruler. So that's 5.5 inches and 5.5 inches. Wow, I eyeballed that pretty good. I make the first cut on both layers and then I lift it up so I'm just cutting the back. And do the same with the other side. Okay, so my camera stopped recording there for a little bit. I have no idea why. I'm just going to recreate what I did. So after you cut these down, you just draw a line across the back of the shirt with your chalk. And you cut right along that line on the back layer only. So that way when you're done, you open it up and you have ties. And you just tie these around your neck for the halter look. And then after that, I just did a simple weave along the back to kind of bring the top in a little bit and add some fun to it. Now we're ready to go try it on. I really do love the laddering that I did in the back. It turned out really good. I do wish that you could have seen it, but you know, my camera just stopped recording, so what are you gonna do about that? You'll just have to use your imagination. But if you want to see how I did it, I have another video on my YouTube channel on laddering and weaving, and you should totally check it out. I'll put the link below in the description. Thanks for joining me today for making this super cute halter top. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get a new video like this one every day. See you soon! I love my brand new halter top, da-da, da-da. I'm gonna wear it dancing as soon as I can go outside again. Yay! It is pretty cute, isn't it? Yeah. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da, enjoying my halter top. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da, halter top now. I look so cute in my halter top. I really, really love it. I look so cute in my halter top.